Hello everyone. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and I think we need a new ring to make for ourselves or for our loved ones. Let's begin. Cut two lengths of wire 1 millimeter thick, 20 centimeters long, and I've used two beads on each one and curled the ends and flared them on the anvil. Now you're going to curl that little top piece because this is the one half of your heart. It's the top pretty curly bit. Bend those in to look pretty and to have a tight little curl. Then you're going to bend the middle of the top of the middle of the heart, loop those two wires together to form the middle and squeeze them tightly together. Then you're going to bend the other half of the heart. So we're going down to the bottom pointy part of the heart and bending at a sharp angle, bend the wire back up to the top. And there you're forming the heart shape. Isn't that pretty and so easy to make? Now to join the wires to the heart body, we take 0.3 millimeter thin copper wire, 30 centimeters will do. Thread it through the two and twist them together nice and firmly. And then you're going to wrap that twist around a few times, around that tail, and compress them down. It's about 5 little wraps. And then feed it through into the heart body again, just to keep it all nice and firm and secure. And then finish off the tail of that twist. Now you're going to take those two tails and bend them at a sharp angle to the side of your heart. Now we put it on the wooden ring mandrel just for shape and bend it around at the size you would like. Then to finish off, you're going to feed those two tails through the side of the heart. And once you start curling that wire, it just follows around and keeps the shape and wraps around the wires. So you're making a 1 millimeter thick wire wrap. Just compress them a little bit, wind them up so that they're nice and tight and they make a feature on their own. I like the texture of that, don't you? Now you're going to put that ring onto your metal ring mandrel and tap it all over on the working areas to make a nice shine, texture, and to set those wires in place. I hope you have a lovely Valentine's Day, and what about giving yourself a pretty ring as a gift? Thank you so much for watching. You are very special, and please take great care of yourselves. Bye-bye.